Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. I'm pretty excited today to walk you through this 2024 Nautique GS22. So the GS lineup has a 20-foot, a 22-foot, and a 24-foot. The GS model is a all-around boat, so it's a great for skiing, wakeboarding, surfing, tubing, a little bit of everything. So one of my favorite models that Nautique makes. So let's take a look at this 2024 GS22. So on the outside here, we have the anthracite metal flake. Covers up pretty much most of the hull on the side. And then we did an accent color of the haze gray. So as we come back to the back of the boat, kind of the heart of everything for these Nautiques. Obviously you got a nice swim platform up here. We did add the boarding ladder option. And then standard on all our Nautiques is the NSS, so Nautique Surf System, the NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running Surface, completes the whole running surface of the boat, and that does adjust automatically, or you can do it manually depending on what you're doing out there. We got the Nautique Surf Pipe, takes all the emissions and bubbles them up in the prop stream behind the surfer, so it doesn't bubble up in their face or the steam coming up in their face. And then we did option it with Nautique Steer Assist. So as you're around docks, lifts, out in the middle of the water, you can press a button, the boat will go in a 360, it'll go in reverse in a straight line. Super helpful with these surf and wakeboard boats with the way they drive. So plenty to see on the interior, so why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard this 2024 GS22. So we'll start in the back here. We got the nice seats in the back, so if you're hanging out, swimming, or just hanging out talking, you got some cup holders there. You can control your stereo. Just a nice place to hang. Like all the Nautiques, we've got a nice walk-through. It's nice and wide. You got your sea deck in here, so you're not stepping on any of your cushions, which is really helpful. Both of these do open up on both sides. You've got nice deep storage because this boat has subfloor ballast. All the ballast tanks are below the deck, so you got plenty of place here and over there for storage, and it does go all the way through storage underneath these two seats as well. Standard on the 2024 models now is the PCM ZZ5, so that's a direct injection engine. The ZZ4 is no longer, so the ZZ5 is going to be the standard engine in this boat. We do have the nice pop-up pylon. Like I mentioned, this is a great ski boat, so great little spot. Twist that, the whole thing pops up. Great place to ski from. Got plenty of power to do some recreational skiing if you'd like. In the boat itself, this is a haze gray color to match the outside, and then your anthracite accent throughout the boat as well to match the outside as well. So a new option that you can get in the GS22 is the pull-out bench. So that bench can kind of come out, everybody's facing back. I've got another seat on this side that pops up and another seat on this side that pops up. So everybody can be facing the rear, watching surfing or wakeboarding, skiing, whatever it might be. And I also have a seat right in here where people can sit. This does open up, and I've got storage underneath here to store whatever it is you like. We've got batteries underneath that seat, storage and a battery switch. We've got a garbage can and a carry-on cooler underneath that seat. Up to the tower, want to show you, we did option it with the Bimini. The Bimini boot is on it right now. You can pull the Bimini boot off. It's got two big wings that open up. You just attach them, each a pole to the tower itself, and then you do have surf pockets up on top as well to store other surfboards. We've got the reverse cam right up here in the tower, so in the link pen race screen, you can see your rider before they get up. You don't have to get up out of your chair to come back here and look. It's nice, clear visual in there. We do have the 8.8-inch JL drivers up here on the tower. They do have some down lighting as well on both sides if you want to illuminate the cockpit. And then last but not least is the vertical board racks. So you put your board in here, lift this up, and then it'll hold it right in. And then obviously they are rotating, so they go in and out as well. As we come into the boat, Nautique has always done a great job here at the helm for the driver to be totally comfortable when they're driving the boat. It all starts off with the helm seat. This is a race car inspired helm seat. It's got a nice deep back to it, nice and tall. One of my favorite features is it has this nice little cutout right here. So if I'm sitting here and I'm talking to everybody that's in the boat, it's nice just to have a comfortable space. And then when you're ready to go forward, you can turn yourself forward. The steering wheel is really nice and plush as well. You got the Nautique right in here, good logo. Got a place for a phone in here. And then we have the 12.5-inch link pen array system. Everything you need is right in this system. You can control it as like a touch screen, or you can use the Helm command right over here on this side for quick keys and different things as you're driving. So super helpful right there. The seat also I didn't mention, but it does have a bolster seat. So if you do need to get up a little bit higher, you can do that as well. Throughout the boat is JL audio. So we've got speakers here in the cockpit area with our JLs. We've got a couple here in the bow, and then we do have a 10-inch subwoofer that is here within the boat as well. So JL audio, top of the line stuff. Sound quality is awesome. And then as we come to the bow, with the redesign of the GS models, this has gotten a little bit deeper in the bow, so a little bit safer when you think about being out on the water. You got kids or anybody there nice and deep in the boat, feeling nice and safe as you're driving. You can get a bow filler cushion as an option if you want to fill this whole area in, kind of like a big sun pad. We do have some cup holders in here. We've got USBs throughout the boat to plug in your devices. There is LED lighting throughout the boat around the cup holders themselves, so you can change the different colors there. Like I said, this boat, the GS22, very versatile. One of my favorite models if you like to do a little bit of everything out on the water. Great surf boat, wakeboard, skiing, tubing, a little bit of everything. If you want to tow it around, it's easy to tow it around. It can fit in a lot of different garages as well if you're somebody that doesn't live on the lake, but very versatile, like I said. So this boat's here at our Rogers location in Minnesota. If you want to come on by and take a look at it, that'd be great. Otherwise, just give us a call. We can set up an appointment. And as always, click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day. Thank you.